Hello guys! A while ago when I started this YouTube channel, I was trying to research lights, and a friend of mine, his name is Renesito, excellent performer, he said, I'm gonna send you a link to these lights that I think they're great. And it was a kit of 3 lights. And that's what I've been using for these videos. And recently when I was talking about them, I tagged the company that makes them, Aputure. They liked my videos and they said, we have something you may like. So they sent me a package, which was really nice of them to do. I set up a camera right above me, so we'll be able to open this and see what they sent me. Let's get the knife. As you can see, it's all rusty because I haven't used it in a while. I don't even know where to start cutting. I should do it like Sean Daniel opens the boxes. He finds a weak spot without a knife. Right off the bat, I can see it comes with a remote. That's gonna make my life easy because one of my biggest complaints when I'm gonna make a video is that I have to turn every light by hand, which means, you know, there's a light that I set up usually behind me, above me, and I have to stand on this couch and try to reach for the switch and I can't see where it is. It doesn't sound like a big deal, but it is, because when you wanna make content, there's 1,000 things you gotta do before you can start shooting a video. So the less things you have to do, the most efficient. Nice. Nice case. So here it is. Sticker, manual, and here's our light. It feels about the same weight as the light I'm replacing, but it does look sleeker because it's now gray. The other one is black. So I can see right away that it has an extra knob that my previous lights don't have, which is the temperature control. That means that I'll be able to switch between a white to a yellow color from 3200K to 5500K. So here it is, like I said, the remote, extra LEDs, and the batteries. Cool thing about these lights is that you can take them on the road with you. I could get out of my car by a beach somewhere in the middle of the night, have my light with me and make a whole music video on the spot. Or if you're gonna stay in a controlled environment like this office setup, you can just use the power from the wall. With this accessory here, you can control the angle of the light if you have a light stand, which I have a couple of them. And you have a strap, so you can carry your light around with you fashionably around town. So I do have a diffuser on my main key light here, and I'm gonna move it out of the way so you see what it looks like without the diffuser, and then I'm gonna switch that light for this other light so I can change the temperature and you can see the difference. Let's do that. So by removing the diffuser, the light looks harsher. However, because it's using a thing like this, it's not so harsh as it would be without it. Like this. That's way too harsh. So at least it helps a little. But if you can, try to get a softbox or something to diffuse it more. So let's replace this LED for the brand new one they sent me. And that's what it looks like with just a white color. Let's change the temperature and see what it looks like. So I changed the temperature a little bit and it got a little too bright. Let's adjust that. That's definitely very orange looking. So that's cool that I'll be able to switch the temperature of the lights, and that's probably gonna become my main light now. I'm gonna add the diffuser and see what it looks like. So I feel like it looks nicer than the one I had, and definitely having the ability to switch temperatures, it's a plus. So thank you Aputure for sending me this package, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Alright, so I removed the big diffuser. It's good for when you're in the traveling, it does it.